Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to share key Feng Shui tips for creating a successful home office. So are you starting a new business or stepping back into corporate life and now you need to create a prosperous office at home? Or perhaps you've been a career professional or entrepreneur for years and you want to energize your current home office. Well, this video is for entrepreneurs, business owners, and corporate professionals. It's basically for anyone who needs to feel like a rock star when working from home. I would also share that these tips can also be applied to your corporate office. These days, working from home has become a normal part of daily life. So whether you work full-time or part-time from home, arranging your office for success using Feng Shui can increase your productivity and improve your bottom line. Stay tuned because these Feng Shui tips provide valuable insights into understanding how powerful the energy is in your home and help you thrive and feel in balance. Before I begin, I'd like to quickly announce that a few spots have opened up for the free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. You'll want to stay to the end of the video for the announcement on this. And be sure to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will really help you get started with Feng Shui, and the link is in the description. And with that, let's get started. More and more, working from home has become an essential part of life, and many professionals and entrepreneurs are finding it more productive to work from home, and business owners are even running their complete businesses from home. And corporations are even promoting their professionals to work from home. So let's talk about Feng Shui tips to ensure your home office is set up for success. Okay, so the first thing about your home office is the location in your home where you actually work. Seriously, where do you work in your home? And I know what the answer may be. The kitchen counter, the dining room table, the sofa, and your bedroom? Or perhaps you're sharing your office with your spouse or family members, or feel like the nook will be an ample space for your success. Hold the phone, my friends, because let me explain one essential Feng Shui tip right now. Your success has everything to do with your energy, and your energy is supported by creating one place that helps you focus and get in the zone. And how you feel in your office is critical to your success. If you are moving around from room to room, what does that say about your energy and how this will translate into the quality of your work and your prosperity? And if this is your situation, then really, how focused are you when you are actually working? If you're serious about the success of your business and your productivity and your prosperity, it's essential that you find one room or one area and designate it to your work. Is there a room in your home that you can truly designate to your work? And here's the deal. You may need to be a little creative. Is there a guest room or a loft or another room that is currently being used for something else that you can dedicate to your home office? In my Harmony Blueprint program, I often help business owners and professionals decide on the most prosperous room in their home for their office, because this is such a critical thing to consider and figure out, because where you're working affects your energy, and like I mentioned, it affects your bottom line. Once you decide on the room or the area, then claim it and name it and be on purpose with this room and or the area that is dedicated to your work. Give yourself permission to designate this area just to your work and remove all the distractions, and make this area sacred and honor it as your work area. Just the other week, I was consulting with a client in my Harmony Blueprint program who was starting a new business, and she realized that her current home office was filled with a lot of family stuff, and it was actually hard for her to focus. And so she needs her office to be all about her business. So after we talked, she was on a mission to move that family stuff to the living areas and really honor her work in her office. And I'm so excited to see how her business actually takes off. Once you decide on the room that you're going to be working in, then it's essential to arrange it for success. One powerful Feng Shui principle is to align your office with the area of your home that corresponds with the prosperity or the career areas. Now, it's not necessary, and sometimes it's not possible, but it's always helpful to keep this in mind, as these are considered power areas of the house. The prosperity corner is the far left corner of the house, and it's considered the command center. And the career area is the front middle quadrant, and this represents life's opportunities. The other thing is aligning your office to promote your recognition, which is another key area of the Bagua. A couple things to keep in mind in regards to the Bagua are, first of all, what area of your home is your home office located in within the Bagua? Then we even look at how to lay the Bagua on your desk. If you want more information on what area of your home aligns with these areas and more, check out my video on the Bagua, which is the Feng Shui map that really outlines the 9 key areas of life and how these areas are represented by the quadrants of your house. And just as an aside, the Bagua can be placed on your office, on your desk, on an entire home, even on your property. Talk about aligning your energy for success. As you are arranging your office, the key thing to remember is that from a Feng Shui standpoint, the door represents the mouth of Qi, which means opportunity. So with that in mind, the position of your desk is critical to your bottom line. The golden rule of Feng Shui is to face the door, and you want to face opportunities in your life head on. In my 20 years as a Feng Shui consultant, I've turned around many entrepreneurs and business owners and professionals who have had their desk facing a wall or a corner or another direction. And it's my clients who have their desk positioned with their backs to the door who often wonder why their business is stalled or stagnant or they feel limited in some way. And when we turn their desks around, they see their business and career from a new perspective and new opportunities come their way. And like I say, the answers are always right in front of you. And the placement of your desk really tells it all, my friends. So here's the deal. In Feng Shui, the door represents the mouth of the Qi, and it's so important to face the door. And lastly, let's ensure that your office feels good and has everything you need so that you feel your best and attract success. So for this, we look to the 5 elements. In nature, there are 5 natural elements: wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. And a balanced environment has all 5 elements. So here's a few ideas of how the 5 elements may look in your office. So the wood element can be plants and wood furniture. Fire could be lighting, inspiring artwork, and including your company logo. Earth could be investing in a comfortable ergonomic chair. And metal is creating an organization system and making sure you have a work routine. The water element can show up as art with water in it or a whiteboard for ideas. And you always want to make sure the Qi can easily move around the space. So as you can see, the placement and arrangement of your office is mission critical to your success and your bottom line, and even how you are seen in your industry. Incorporating these simple steps and tips can transform your business and the way you feel about your work and improve your prosperity. And on that note, I conclude this video. I really hope this video was helpful. If you are new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new video every week. I'm very excited to announce that a few spots have opened up for the free 45-minute one-to-one Feng Shui discovery sessions with me. These calls are designed to diagnose what is happening with the energy in your home and begin to create a plan for opening up the energy blocks. And we'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint will work for you. So click the link in the description to sign up for one of these calls, and let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life, and of course your home office. The Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program really helps you create a peaceful and beautiful home that improves your prosperity, your relationships, and your well-being. It's designed to help you create a plan for arranging your home and providing support for you to live intentionally. We typically work with individuals who may be moving into, building, or renovating their homes, or they are looking to enhance the energy in their forever home. And my clients are those who want to use a holistic approach to improve the energy in their homes and put a real focus on honoring their own personal Qi. When you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to see the space for yourself. And our program helps you design a plan that ensures that you create a space that you love and really creates good energy. So be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd really love to meet with you. My free Facebook group is also open, so be sure to click the link in the description too. It's a great community and it's a wonderful way to interact with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow and remember the answers are always right in front of you.